All right, so we're back. So the first question is A intercept B. What is the answer?
21.
21.
21. Great. So we have 21 being the intersection, right? What about the next question, which is, I think it's A intersect B complement. Let me try and find that. So A intersect.
Sir, there's someone asking to be let in.
All right, let me see.
I'm in already, thanks.
Okay. I see Carrie trying to get in, but whenever I try to admit her, she's not coming through, which is weird. So you guys can hear me now?
Yes, sir, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, so I was saying that you guys can tell me what is A intercept B complement.
Sir, both sets are complements, right?
Repeat.
Sir, both sets for this one would be both complements. Would be A complement, B complement. Because
Right.
that's how I
So,
looked at it.
so you have to be careful with this now. It is saying, this is the interpretation, it's saying, give me everything that is not in A intercept B. So A intercept B is
Oh,
21, right? So if A
okay.
intercept B is 21, then everything outside of that is
A,
what?
everything outside of that would be
A whole lot
14.
of
All
numbers.
right. Yes, sir. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Yeah, yeah. So it's basically everything except that. Give me a second. Let me see why Carrie not getting in. Try. All right. So yeah, so it's the whole thing down here, right? So it's everything except 21. So as I said, 10, 11, 12, just everything. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You guys have that? All right, see it? You see why that is? So
Yes,
we
sir.
have 21 here, everything outside. You list everything except for that, right?
Okay.
Right. Um, all right. Hold a second. Let's see if it work out for Carrion. It looks like it's gonna be fine. Not sure. All right, so moving on. What about A union B? So I'm gonna put it right here. So A union B. What's that?
That, that would be 12, 14, 15, 18, and 21.
So
Everything between
12,
A and B.
that again. So everything that is in A and B,
And
12,
14,
15,
15, 18, and 21.
18, and 21. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, what about A complement?
A complement
I'm trying
would
to write
be
that somewhere. A complement, what is that? A complement, everything That is
Everything.
outside of 8.
Yes, sir. That will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 15,
There's
16.
another long list,
Long
right?
list.
So,
Except for 21 and 40.
correct. You guys can fill in that. All right. What about B complement? B complement not that should not be that long.
Sir, Kerry is asking you to let her in again.
I don't know why the thing preventing her from coming in. Give me a second, guys. All right. So what about B complement, Sinam?
B complement would be everything except for 12, 15, 18, and 21.
Okay. So there's
10,
another
11,
long list.
yes,
So everything except for 12, 15, 18, and
18 and
21.
21.
Right. So you guys can fill in that. Right. So another long list. All right. So what about I say they have
A
A,
complement.
A, A complement instead of B complement. All right. So we're in a bind now because in order to do this one,
You have to
we
write the
really should
complement.
have A complement and B complement. Um, we could probably figure it out. All right, let us do the hard work and find what A complement is, right?
A
So A
complement
complement, we say,
is
is
10, 11,
everything except
12,
14 and
13,
21.
16,
12,
13,
13,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
right? So it goes sometimes. And then B complement now is,
10, 11,
let me say what
13,
can
13,
I
14, 16, 17,
19,
Let me
and
put
20.
B complement.
19, and 20.
11 to 13, let's say 16, no, 14,
14, 16,
14,
16,
16, 17,
19, and 20.
19, put the 19 first and 20. All right, so we exclude 12, make sure we don't exclude 12, 15, 18, and 21. Great. So the next question now is A complement intersect B complement.
So I got 10, 11,
11,
13,
12, 13, 14,
16.
15.
Hold on.
Right.
10.
Oh, make it, yeah,
Yeah,
15.
it's not 15, it's 16. It would be 10, 11, 13, 16, 17,
Yeah.
19, and 20.
Oh, yeah, like 40.
15 are in both
15
of
not
them.
in complement.
15 is not in both of them. So 16, 17,
17,
19,
19, and
and
20.
20.
Right. Mm-hmm. All right. So you see that? So real and true, we could have done it without listening it out. See all of them here. 10, 11, 13, 16, 17, 19, 20. They're all outside of A and B. Right? So they're literally, what I want you guys to see is that I'm going to give you guys a question to do. Um, check this out. If I were to ask you, what is A union B? What do you tell me? So I'll make it small so you can see. A union B complement. Okay, I already have A union B, you know. A union B is 12, 14, 15, 18, 21.
Mhm.
So in the interest of time, notice that
Sorry, would that be everything outside?
It'll be everything outside, which is this guy
10,
right
11,
here.
10, 11, 13, 16, 17, and 19, and 20.
Yeah. So A union B complement and A intersect, A complement intersect B complement are the same, right? So these are the same. So let's put. So you can put that in your memory box. There's actually, I think there's a special name for it. I don't remember. The other question is, I guys to try is A complement intersect B. I will have some experience with this.
Is that an empty set?
Well, let's see. If A is if A complement is everything outside of A. Everything outside of A, you have 12, 15, 18, and all these other guys are outside of A. But you want to intersect that now with B. But B is 21, 12, 15, and 18. So where both of them would intersect is here. So before that looks confusing, let me do a different color.
No, that may get 12, 15, and 18 for sure.
So these guys would be B only, and this is what B only is. A complement intersect B is B only, which in this case, let's say it is 12, 15, 18. Right? And you can try it out yourself. You can look at what is A complement first. A complement is a long list of everybody, and then you look at what B is, and then you look at what is common to both of them. All right, so let us
Okay,
move.
sir. Put 21 at that one because it was saying the
Repeat.
intersector.
It sounds very low.
Okay. You hearing me?
Barely hearing you.
Oh, I don't know what the problem is. I was saying I have 12, 15, 18, and 21 because it says the intersect. I put the 21 that is between there.
Oh, yeah, so that wouldn't work because 21 is in A, and A
Yeah.
complement would mean that it's outside of.
It's a part of it.
Well, let us try one more question and call it night. Trying to carry this thing over in a second. If somebody think making some nice. All right, so question 3. So this is supposed to be a little better when it comes to listing the elements. So I'm giving you guys 10 minutes, hopefully. It's not a problem. So I'm giving you guys 10 minutes to do this. So yeah, quite a few, so just quickly go through them. All right, as quick as I can, giving it 10 minutes. All right, so the question was universal set is the 1, 2,
From 1 to
all the way up to
12.
12, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me just say that, and put 11. 12. So it's really 1 to 12. And then A is just
1, 3, 6, and 10.
10, and B
1, 5, and 10.
1, 5, and 10. One there's a C, and C is 3, 6, so multiples are 3. Right? All right, so the question is to find A intersect B.
1 and 10.
Yeah, 1 and 10. So look for what is common, and what's common is 1 and 10. Then the next one is
A intersect
B is
C.
A intersect C.
3 and
There you
6.
go. So 3
3
and
and
6.
6.
a second, guys. All right, so the next question is what I'm going to put C up first. B intersect C. What's that?
So that's an empty set.
Repeat.
B intersects C.
Nothing.
Nothing, sir. Empty set.
Empty
No.
set.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now
No.
look on it. So empty. So you can write it like this. So literally being empty, or you can put this. All right. So the next one is D. D is A union B. What's that?
A union B. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 10.
So say that again. 1,
1, 3,
3,
5,
5,
6,
6,
and 10.
10. Correct. And then E now is A union C.
1, 3, 6, 9, 10, and 12.
Everybody good with that? Then F is C complement. What's that?
1, 2, 4, 5, 7,
5,
8,
7, 8, 10,
10,
11.
and 11.
All right, looks good so far. Then G is A intersect C complement, which is what?
1 and 10.
So C is, C
C complement.
complement is what we
Yes,
just
sir.
did,
Yes, sir.
and A is above.
Yes.
So we look with the C, and so we see that 1 is common to both of
And
them,
10.
and 10 is the next one, right?
Yes, sir.
B complement.
Would be 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and
Say
12.
that again.
2,
2,
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 10.
11 and 12.
And 12, sorry, and 12.
All right, cool. Good stuff. The next one is what? B complement union C complement. So this was H, and then this is I. So what's the answer for this one now? Look like almost everything.
Everything, sir. From 1 to 12.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. The next one is J. So J is A intersect B intersect C.
Empty.
So we're looking for what's common in all three of them.
And
So
nothing
it's
is
that
common.
one. So yeah, nothing is common. Even though one is common to A and B, one is not in C.
Yes, sir.
10 is common to A and B, but not in C. Yeah, so nothing in common, right?
Nothing in common.
So you can represent it like that, or you can represent it like a. So either one you can choose, either this or this. All right. The last one now is K, and K is A union B.
Which is everything.
A union B, union C.
Which is everything.
Everything, sure? When I say 4?
No, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12.
When I say 4, when I say 7, when I say 8, when I say 11, yeah. So that again, you can write this down.
1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12.
6, 9.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then 12?
10 and 12, yeah.
1,
All right.
5, 6.
All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for the question. So um, this this call it the sets notes. What we're looking at right now is actually in the group. There are more questions. I would implore you to try them. So try them and see. We have another session that we may look at. That's it. One other session that we look at some more sets. So what I would implore you to do, ask you to do, is to focus your attention. After you look at these, I want you guys to look at the logic problems and Venn diagram. To just take a look at this section. Cool?
Okay, sir. No problem.
The logic problem, yes, because
You
me
said,
finish everything already.
Yeah,
let
sir, I've
me go
went
over
through
it.
the whole thing already.
We
So,
finish the Venn diagram, the Venn one already, so me
yeah.
can look on this.
Yes, I look on this part. Very important, because this include a variable you have to solve for it and stuff like that. So look at this part. So next time, guys, we'll see each other Saturday, some of you.
Yes, sir, no problem.
See you guys
Have a
next
good night.
time.
Okay, sir.
Good night.
Sir, 1 minute. We're going to do SBA, right?